Right, this vlog is about the best cheese naan. Really the best ever cheese naan, other stuffed naans, cherish food love, sweet memory. Some puppy love, some Bollywood and Hollywood stuff. Some life learning skills and some silly stuff that's guaranteed to make you laugh or at least smile.
No, Dad, it was an honor.
Really? Thank you, Billy. Hello, I am the Guru, Mahashay Bareja, and this is my sweet puppy, Billy. Hello, Billy, say hello. Yeah, there you go. Billy says hello to me and hello to all. Today, we'll talk about food for thought. Food is life. About food, I might be talking a few times in this year. Talk about today's food. Today's food is the best naan recipe. It's not plain naan, or it could be, but I'm more concerned with the stuffed naan as well. Garlic, cheese, spinach ricotta or spinach feta, and cauliflower, potato, or minced lamb, chicken, or anything you want to fill in a good naan. And Billy likes a cheese naan. All right. First of all, the food. Of course, Billy likes many food. We won't talk about chicken today because that's what he lives on. Yeah, let's say what Billy likes. Let me show you what happened earlier when Billy and I went for his food shopping. Can I please have dog food and dog biscuit? Sure. Would you like to have it here or take home? Billy, I was abused by a checkout guy.
No, Dad, it was an honor.
Really? Thank you, Billy. Guess what? Name of the checkout guy was Entertainment.
Wow, I have a golden retriever friend, and his name is also Entertainment.
Okay, I know his owner. Aki, I know him, but he doesn't know me.
I know Akshay Kumar is his dad, not the owner.
What do we have here in the backyard? Traditional Indian tandoor. Clay on. This is all clay inside. Heat would be there at the bottom, and the naans are placed on the side, and you can cook anything tandoori using these skewers. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. Oh.
Nice.
It is true or a myth. Please don't tell anyone that anything tandoori can be cooked without the oven as close to taste as oven on the pan or in the pan. But today we'll only talk about the naans, all different assorted naans, naan breads. Today, let's get perfection in making a perfect naan, means naan bread. To make about 15 to 20 naan bread, or to make naan dough first, so naan dough balls we are talking. So to make about 15 to 20, we need approximate 1 kilo of plain flour. Any plain flour will do, but it's always good to have a little bit extra just in case. And in the naan dough, we can put up to 200 gram of wholemeal flour as well. More ingredients. Here we have 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 4 tablespoons of any natural yogurt. Here we have 200 ml of milk, 200 ml of warm water, 50 ml multiplied by 2 of any oil. If we want to make bhatura, which is a fried naan bread, fried one like a soccer ball, we need 1 tablespoon of this semolina, suji. We put it now as well, but we're making naan bread today, so we won't use that. What other accessories we have? The tray to keep naan dough balls and then wrap it with a cling wrap. We got gloves to make the job nice and easy. Food is all about life, love, and memories. I got heaps of memories. Today I'll tell you only about 3 incidents, 3 memories. So let's start with our naan dough. We remove all the spoons. We add our other ingredients. Milk is here, and now this is warm one. We start mixing. Now we add that 50 ml of oil. Okay, this is mixed. Now we add our wholemeal flour. We add the plain flour. So we have to mix it and give it a good consistency. Let's talk about the memories as well. When I was about 10 years old, at home I cooked a stuffed paratha, stuffed with potato and other ingredients in that. So that's called paratha. So when I made that, then my mother, Jaiji, she was very happy. She said, now my son, he will never go hungry. So that's the memory, love. Here we go. We got Billy here as well. He is also trying to help us. Billy, how are you doing? We want a nice consistency, not too runny, not too hard, so which is nearly there. Now what we add is the rest of the oil. Straight away we can start making the naan dough balls as well. It reminds me the scene from a movie. The beautiful song was there. The scene is Demi Moore and Patrick Swayze. They are doing poetry. So instead of poetry, it's the dough. So they are doing the poetry and the song, oh, all time beautiful love song. Oh, my love, my darling. So this is good to do with your partner, with the the person you love. We'll do it together. That's very lovely. And how many we have? We have about 15, and there are 4 bigger ones. Okay, now what we do here is cling wrap. Days. These naan dough balls been out for half an hour to 1 hour. Now we put it in the fridge for a minimum of 10 minutes and ideally overnight, and maximum up to 3 days, and we take it out only 10 minutes before we need it. I have taken this tray out from the fridge 10 minutes ago, and now we'll make 3 stuffed naan, and we'll use the 3 bigger bowls from here. And 3 naans we are making today are, one would be filled with cheese, and the other one would be filled with spinach and cheese, and this one is feta, Australian feta. This one a little bit savory, and this is very good. So these all will be mixed in one. And in this one we can add, there's already salt in there, we can add a little bit of pepper. And the third naan for today would be chocolate naan. We'll fill any chocolate you can fill, but these are specially for this purpose. You can crush Toblerone or any chocolate you like. And what's better than chocolate? Chocolate and cheese. So we are mixing chocolate and cheese. Here it is. There's a white chocolate here and brown one, and the cheese. In the song, the girl, Madhuri Dixit, she is falling in love at this beautiful age, and she doesn't like anything now. Chocolate, ice cream, toffee, nothing. So love. And that's true. In life, as far as food is concerned, you have to make your choices. What you want to eat, what you can eat. Let's do the cooking. Now the pan is nice and warm and it's all happening. Let's get the rolling pin rolling. We'll make this one cheese naan. Here we go. We can fill as much as we want. Let's talk about the second memory. Back home in the uni, there was a competition, Antakshari competition or songs competition, song shreds, and few different type of songs competition. And our team, we won fair with prizes. $300 worth of, 300 rupees worth of voucher back then in say 1985. So that was a fairly good money. So we went to the restaurant, and we will say about 10-15 people. We checked the menu. Oh, it was expensive. Next one, I'll go with spinach and cheese. We checked the menu. We ordered few things. Few people order ice cream, few order coffee, few other nibbles. Probably I said coffee, and can we have naan as well? The waiter, he says, what? Coffee with naan? So what's wrong? So right. So when there can be coffee anand, there can be coffee with currant. How can't we have coffee with naan? So we had it. So anyway, everyone had good time. So we are filling all this in one. Here we go. That's massive. That's massive. One more memory. Around 15, I was there with my nani, my maternal grandmother. They're home for a few months. My other cousins were there, so, and my nanny. What she used to do is, this one is done, cheese naan is done. Wow. Here it is. Right, and the second one also ready to go in here. My nanny, when she would just go to the kitchen, she would start cooking. Straight away she would call the names to come and to eat. So she would call me, Teka, come, Teka, or take away, come. And to my other cousin sister, her name is Sweetie, but she won't call her Sweetie. She will call Sweetie. There you go. And other cousin sister, Sarita, she won't call her Sarita either. Call her Sarita. Now I know why Nani called us before. The main aim for her would have been so that all the kids come, sit and talk first. That was a nice thought. So, but at that time we think, Nani, why did you call us before? Memories, life full of memories. And the next one, here, it's our chocolate and cheese naan. And we can put a little bit of oil or ghee if someone likes. We can use other accessory if someone really wants. Cheese could be really, really hot. Yep, that's nice, that's cooked. Here we go, spinach and cheese. And the lucky last would be chocolate naan. There is smoking goodness, lovely. Let's see if Billy eats a piece of cheese naan. Let's say he is looking, he might like it. Here you go, here you go. Oh, yeah, he likes it, he is enjoying. So what's my take from the video? A bit of food love, bit of food for thought, good nice memories, and some silly jokes, some Bollywood stuff. That's what I've got. I must mention, wouldn't it be nice if most household chores are done together with love and passion, and the workload is shared by all family members. Billy say hello. Yeah, Billy says hello, and Billy loves us and we love. If you like the video, press the like button. If you loved it, subscribe it please, and comments are most welcome. Take care of self and all around you. Bye.